Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is V, Buzzing with V. I have an unboxing for you. This is the swap that I was in called Juicy Fruit Swap. And it is hosted by Janiva, who is purposely crafting the divine intervention. I will have her linked below. I received my 2 swaps, so let me go ahead and open that really quick here and share with you. Let's go ahead and go with this swap first. This is her information. I received Lori Fortini's swap. Hello, Lori. I will check you out on YouTube and Instagram and give you a follow if I haven't already. I also have a small card that she included, and it's so cute. I love the simplicity of it. I just love how it looks like art. So like a painting of some sort. So that's what I like my cards to look like. So I love all cards, but I love that too. So let's go ahead and get into this really quick. Again, her information there, and I want to get this done within 10 minutes because I am having storage problems with my computer and my camera, so I need to tackle that really quick as soon as I'm able to. But I love her basket purse that she sent this in. She did do some stitching, and I am definitely appreciative of that because I know how long that takes, and you did such an amazing job. So let's go ahead and take everything out of this cute bag, and that's what the bag looks like inside. I want to do this quick, and I did look at all of the videos, but you know, if I don't see them, if I see a swap and then it goes, the time goes by, it's like out of sight, out of mind. So I kind of remember this swap, but I kind of don't as well. So, and that's for all of them. So she sent, I remember someone sending the Sprite Tic Tacs. I was like, oh my goodness, Sprite. I've never seen that before. So that is fun that I received hers. And this is her memorydex card. Let's go ahead and get into this. I'm so bad with opening bags, always been. So that's her information again. And let's take a look at how beautiful this memorydex card. It is a shaker and it is lemon themed. I just love what she did with the flags. Such a cute way to put in some sentiments. I love her greenery. I love all of the folding that the vintage goose taught us how to do. I just love that. Miss her as well. So I also love the little flower there. Great job. She also has a lemon charm right. Okay, my phone cut out on me, so you guys didn't see. I opened this up and I just love her folder. I love how she decorated, as well as all the stitching she did around it. It's such a cute little folder. And here she's housing her tags. And I just love this pineapple. I love how she did this. She has some stitching around the edges. And she also has some bling here. I just love it. And also some of that seam binding. Her next one is an orange one. And she double layered on the tag. She added seam binding and she added a sentiment. So cute. And in the back, I just love the polka dots against the blue and the yellow. Such a cute tag holder. Here are her bag toppers, and there is the bag toppers, the orange. I love her her bow, and it has a little diamond in the inside. Oh, I'm so bad with opening these things. I don't know why, but I always have problems. Okay, here we go. Her bag toppers along with the bags, extra bags we are supposed to include. So here are her bag toppers. I love the colors. She has the lemon here, and it's an ephemera piece. She has a butterfly here, which looks like a sticker. And she also has an ephemera piece. Sentiment on this one, she has a chipboard. No, that is ephemera piece, and it's stitched all around, as well as the butterfly is also a sticker with a flower. I believe these ones are probably from Well, they're similar to the ones in Hobby Lobby. So such a cute bag topper. Thank you so much, Lori. And last are the two bows that we needed to include as well, part of the swap. And I just love what she did here as well. She made them super dimensional. Ooh, I can't take this out. It is stuck. Is it stuck? Oh, there you go. Okay. So these are her bows. They're very dimensional. And I just love how she did the stitching. And she added some pom-poms in the middle. This one is the orange and this one is cherry. Such cute bows. Thank you so much for your swap, Lori. I appreciate all of the stitching. You did such an amazing job. Now I'm going to move on to the next, but before I do that, I want to share with you a quick recap of this really fast. So here is her swap. Isn't it a cute one? I just love how everything looks. So wanted you guys to see the entirety of the swap laid out like this. So let's move on to the next one. Here's the next one. Let's go ahead and dig in. Okay, look at this. This is one of Kristen's Crafty Adventures tutorial. This one is on my bucket list as well, and the creator of this is Amanda B. Here is her Instagram and her YouTube, and I believe I'm following both. I know YouTube, I'll have to check Instagram, but yeah, I remember this one. This one's such a cute one. She did an amazing job. So here, first off, we have this pineapple pin, and then as you can see here, some stitching. It says handpicked. She used a beautiful collection. I just love this collection. I wish I would have seen this. I would have picked this up so fast. I love the colors, the pink and the greens for watermelon, and it has a little pocket here. No, that wasn't supposed to open, but no worries, I can glue that. Is there anything? I want to make sure there's nothing in there. So on the side, there's the baggies here, and we're to include some bag toppers with some baggies. But isn't it just so cute? It has pockets on the side. It has that faux pocket in the front. It has this here, so it's kind of like a roller, a thingy-majiggy. So it has Velcro. That's how it's being shut. That's the closure. I just love her stitching again, and there's so much. So let me go ahead and take everything out so we could take a look and see what we have here. Again, I do remember it, but yeah, I don't remember fully. So here we have some airheads that my kids are going to absolutely love, and that will be devoured very soon. So first off are the bows. And let's see if I can get into this really fast. I just love this collection. She did an amazing job picking the collection. This one has an ephemera piece on the top. That is a lime. And this one has a cabochon, and that is a strawberry. So a lime and strawberry themed bows. Next is this memorydex card. I just love what she did here. Okay, there's an address there, so I'm going to cut that out or put something on there. But she has a memorydex card here, and it's so cute, you guys. Look at this. I love how she used a circle doily, and she made it into a memorydex card, and then she has a basket full of fruit. It's like a fruit basket, and she also did some gems. I just love that. She has a dangle here with a lemon, and I just love this right here, how it has that lemon slice there. She also included a bead, and it says lemonade there. I'm not going to turn it over because her address is there. Maybe I could, yeah, I'll go ahead and cover it. I'm not sure she wants me to show her email address, but I'm going to cover that as well. But this is her information here if you guys want to send her some stuff. I love the sticker that she put there. It's an anime sticker. So such a cute job with that. And here is the tag. So we're supposed to send 2 tags, and she sent more than 2, and I just love this cute little tiny one. I love miniatures, and I love this one. It's so cute. Look at that. She also has, and it's like cascading from small to large, and I just love it. Here's another one here. She did so much stitching, and it's thick. I love the thickness of it. I'm all about the chipboard feel, and I just love the effort that you put into that. And here's a strawberry, and I just love this mix here. Look at that mix. Oh, I love it. I just love it. Can't wait to use it as well. She has some ephemera pieces on this one. I just love pinwheels, and it says life is sweet, and I just love the green. This paper's amazing. Oh, and also the flat backs there, they look like the diamond dots, which I also use a lot of, and here is more of them. I love the soda shaker, how she put it right here. It's a smaller one from Scrap Divas, and I love all of the bling that she used, as well as all the ephemera pieces that she used. I just love it. Well done, Amanda. Well done with this tag. Next is the bag toppers, and they're 2 bag toppers, and I just love what she did here as well. And I love that you put it on this acetate. I didn't do that, but I love that you did. And this is such cute bag toppers. Here's a lemon slice and an orange slice, and she decorated the same thing with some bling, some stitching. She has the fruit on them. She has a dangle for both, and I just love it. Amazing job, amazing job. I'm gonna put this together so you can see it all. And here is the entire swap. Thank you so much, ladies. Lori and Amanda, you did an amazing job for your swaps, and I enjoyed the swap as well. I can't wait to see who got mine. I haven't seen it to date yet, but I am ready to see that. And thank you so much, Janiva, for hosting it. It was such an amazing swap. I think you did a great job for your first host, and I know there's going to be many, many more to come. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.